Welcome to Spud Specialties Kitchen with Alice in Dairyland.
Hello everyone, and welcome to Spud Specialties Kitchen. I am Sarah Hagenow, Wisconsin's 78th Alice in Dairyland. I am so excited to bring you this series where we will feature recipes that showcase Wisconsin potatoes. For our first recipe, the month of November, we are going to be making a roasted pumpkin and potato soup with gnocchi. This is a simple recipe that takes all of these ingredients in front of me and turns them into a very cozy, very tasty soup that is perfect for the fall season, especially as we're gearing up towards Thanksgiving. I have everything pretty much prepared to put into our soup, so let's head over to the stove and start cooking. To celebrate the fall season, this recipe calls for roasted pumpkin puree, so we are going to add 3 cups of pumpkin puree to a large pot. To that, we are then going to add 4 cups of vegetable broth. Here is the star of the show, the potato. I have made 3 cups of instant mashed potatoes using potato flakes. However, you can make mashed potatoes on your own using Wisconsin-grown potatoes. We are in Wisconsin, so we need a little dose of dairy in this recipe. I have 2 cups of half and half to add some creaminess to the soup. To add a little bit of tang, we have some orange juice, 1/4 cup of orange juice, some orange zest, which is also optional, salt, about 2 tablespoons, ground nutmeg, and pepper. You can turn your stove on to medium heat and then whisk all of these ingredients together. Whisk this soup until it is creamy and slightly thickened. Bring it to a boil and then reduce to a simmer and allow the soup to cook for about 20 minutes. Wisconsin does rank 3rd in the nation for potato production. And while we are 3rd in the nation, we are actually 1st east of the Mississippi River. So we are a big potato powerhouse here in the United States. While our soup is simmering, let's make our gnocchi that we'll add to the soup. Gnocchi has finished, so we are going to drain it and then return it to the pot and add olive oil so that it doesn't stick together. Our soup has also finished simmering. It is nice and thick, coats the back of the spoon nicely, and has reduced by about that 25%. So we are going to remove it from the heat and get ready to serve it. I am going to plate it up into bowls. Remember, gnocchi is made out of potatoes, so it's another great way to get your potatoes into this recipe. I have some bacon that I cooked earlier, which I'm going to garnish the top with, and then some sage leaves for some added spice. And there you have it, our roasted pumpkin and potato soup with gnocchi, garnished with bacon and sage. I hope you enjoyed this first episode of Spud Specialties Kitchen and truly enjoyed this recipe as well. I look forward to having you back in the kitchen in December when we will feature another recipe using Wisconsin potatoes. Enjoy!